removing this Miele dishwasher that had blown control board, and we are installing a Cove dishwasher.
I'll drop the legs.
We have removed that Miele dishwasher because the control board was burnt on it, and we installed this Cove dishwasher today, as you can see. And I'll also show you the model and serial number on it. The model number on this unit is DW2450. When installing this stainless steel panel, we were having a little bit of hard time. When you install this stainless steel panel, you have to remove these ropes from the hinge area, and then you can lift this door assembly out, which is only along this part. You remove it, it makes your job easier. You install your integrated panel on it. This is stainless steel panel by adding, it comes with 2 screws already in there. You put the screws on top of the hole and slide it down, and then one person will hold it from the bottom, another person is gonna hold it, and you wanna add your screws. 2 1/4-inch screws goes from there. And now the dishwasher panel is in. We have this noise coming. When I open the door, look at the bottom. Can I have this? Thank you. Open the door, please. See the hinges, the spring is rubbing to this water pad. And so the mistake we made here is that when you remove these, when you reinstall it back in, you can make this mistake. It's easy to make this kind of mistake. So you remove this rope, remove it from here, and then bring it here, turn it around here, and then now you can reinstall this back in. Thank you. So it's good now. If you face the same problem, remember that you're adding your ropes in wrong position, and that's how it makes that noise there. Otherwise, everything seems okay. It's a beautiful dishwasher. The only thing I can see on this dishwasher is that the drain hose is a little bit cheap built. This dishwasher is about $3,500, and it's more expensive compared to the Miele dishwasher. It also lasts longer than Miele dishwasher, and it's a well-built dishwasher. The only thing I didn't like about this dishwasher was the drain hose. That's all. This dishwasher already comes with these brackets, so you don't have to add the extra steel brackets like other dishwashers. See, the other thing I like about this dishwasher is it comes 6 of them, 2 on this side, 2 on the top, 2 on the left hand side. You push it in and you add your screws in, you're good to go. Remember something here, that when you push the dishwasher back into the cabinet, these dishwashers are not normal basic dishwashers. They are not cheap dishwashers. When a customer buys these dishwashers, you're expecting to install these dishwashers in $1 million house. So remember, the cabinets are expensive and they are fancy. When you push the dishwasher back in, when originally they come, there's plastic brackets that comes with it, like that. When you remove these, sometimes they come a little bit bented like this. So if it comes like that, you can easily hit the cabinet and cause scratches. So be careful before you push the dishwasher, and you kind of push all of these brackets with your fingers, with your thumb, to make sure they're aligned with this bottom trim. You see this steel piece? You want it in, not out, like that. Kind of double check all of them one by one, and then after that you can push your dishwasher in. Before you push the dishwasher in, you can also adjust the bottom feet. The front legs, you can adjust them. One is here and another one is there. And the back one, for the back one, you got this screw, Phillips screw. You want to adjust it with that. So I was able to finally push the dishwasher in. We do not want this gap. It doesn't look nice. We want this as close as possible to the top cabinet. That's how the dishwasher is going to look beautiful. And look from here. It has to be flushed from both sides, left and right. So to bring it up, we have to play around with the back leg and the front. And if you look, this screw, when I turn this, you're gonna see a difference here. See, it keeps coming out now, and now the bottom looks, the bottom is looking that it's closer to the back, the front is leaning forward, and that's how we're gonna do the adjustment. So now I'm gonna lift this panel up from here.
Airbag.
Oh, yes, so we're gonna use this airbag right here. Can you keep pressing that plunger, please? So I'm gonna see the difference here up
You
top.
want to even this.
Yes. Okay, yeah, keep moving. Okay, a little bit more. Yeah, that's good. Okay, perfect. You do not want it too tight because you may get a scratch here. So now we're gonna adjust the bottom feet. Okay, I want to double check again. That side still needs to come out a little bit. The front.
That's the back leg.
Okay, the front left. Okay, so we're gonna have to. So see the difference here? Looks good. No, I think looks perfect.
It is. It's leaning. It's even here, and
Okay.
then just a touch there. So
So-
it's leaning back just a little bit.
Okay, so I'll adjust it a little bit more or no? Okay, good.
That's what you want.
Okay, you can see how nice it looks from top all the way to the bottom. In general, you do not want the dishwasher to stay in position perfect straight. No, you want it leaned out just a little bit, like 3-4% leaning down. Okay, so now the problem I can see here is when I open the door, it hits the side of the cabinet. See that? Right here. I'm just gonna see, we're gonna have to adjust this. It still hits it. Let me see what's happening here. So on this side, it's almost perfect, but from other side, so by pushing this down, I'm actually pulling the dishwasher out from the cabinet. You can see we have to adjust this. I also found another small problem here. I do not know how to fix this. I'm probably gonna have to talk to Cove about this. If you look at the cabinet on this side, see it's more out. The panel is sticking out more. See? I'll show you. You run your finger here, and if you come here, you run your finger here. We do not have enough gap in the space here, right? See? Here. And if you come on the left hand side, look at the gap here. That's too big. I try to remove this stainless steel panel out where it comes with the original nipples, put it back together. I was trying to adjust it. There's no way you can adjust this. I even removed the bar that goes across here from inside that holds those nipples in place. I removed it, flipped it from left to right, from right to left, and then reinstall it back in. Before I had this extra gap here on this side. After flipping the bar, now I'm having extra gap here. And remember, if the dishwasher is installed properly into the cabinet, when you open the door, there's no noise, no squeaking noise, no rubbing noise, nothing. These doors are very smoothly that you can open and close.
The door should close like that.
You hear that click noise when you close it? You're supposed to hear that noise. If your door is making a squeaking noise or any kind of rubbing noises by opening and closing the door, that means the dishwasher is not installed properly, or you may want to check your springs on the side of the dishwasher where the rods are hooked into it. Maybe something is getting attached to those. Other than that, these dishwashers are very beautiful and reliable, and they work the way they're supposed to. To add the kick plate on a Cove dishwasher, it just gets stuck in the magnet here. Here, it has a magnet. Once you have your kick plate, you can always adjust it because it's magnet, so you can always adjust it to the floor or a little bit higher if you want it. This is a good option.